here I've got a very cool model from Xcartoys. Reason I bought it, because it has Xcartoys here on the side. And the cool thing is there's also a figure for this particular vehicle. Okay, it's in a 1/64 scale. That's the scale I collect the most. And yeah, just like I said, from the brand Xcartoys, really good diecast brand that makes mostly Chinese vehicles, but also some Western European US vehicles. Barcode, article number, some information, freeze to frame if you want to read it. We got the side, 210. And we can see Xcartoys is active on social media. Got this model for a while. Still haven't done a review about it. You can see it's still in the plastic. Fantastic. And I'm also curious myself how this model look. Box package, I like that. You can place it back in storage if necessary. Whoa, it's really small. Wrapped in plastic. Oh. And we got some package for on top of the vehicle. Oh, cool. Yep, it has a steering option. It doesn't go that easy, but it is possible. And then also let's switch to detail camera. And also the steering wheel inside is moving. Yes, we got a rolling wheel here in the front. And we got rolling wheels in the back. No, yes or no? I thought it was an opening part, but I don't believe it's an opening part, although it looks like an opening part. No, not here in the back. Pretty cool. Is this the number from Xcartoys? If you call this number? Hello, with Xcartoys. What can I do for you? Lanced headlights. Ah, this model is surprising me. So tiny. So many details. Metal base. That is awesome. Now, it could be possible that this can open. Yeah, so now I'm really a big fan of this model. This is so cool. And that's what I was talking about when I was saying Xcartoys is a very cool brand. Wow. Okay, then I was talking about, yeah, you can see the wheels are rolling. Not that super good, but they are rolling. Then I was talking about a figure. And here is that particular figure. Also made by Xcartoys. Yeah, you can see it here. Yeah, Xcartoys also makes figures. They understand that figures are important for your diecast. They will bring your diecast to life. And there we go. That is really cool. Yeah, Xcartoys, big shout outs for Xcartoys because you did really well on this one. I have to look up the name from this vehicle because, yeah, it's probably somewhere on the box in Chinese, but I have to practice on my Chinese. It's not that good, but you will see it in the description of the video. What is the name of the vehicle? Okay, let me know what you think about this little sweet vehicle with a figure and with a lot of cool details, steering wheel, and even an opening part. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye. Oops, almost forgot. This is how it looks with the gear and the package on top. Again, don't forget to smash that like button because you really helped me with that and I can create more diecast videos. Have a very nice day and I'll see you soon. Bye.